Hey folks, let's do a quick unboxing video. This is from Olight, and it's the 3 mystery bags. So I got 2 of the EDC mystery boxes and 1 of the knife mystery package. They're like $59 each, and saved a little bit with a coupon I had. So let's just dig in. I'll use my Oknife Copper Freeze 2. You want to be a little careful opening these because sometimes they put letters and stuff in here that get close to the edge of the envelope. Hopefully I don't ruin anything. Cut like butter. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Oh. So it looks like they sent me the gift. If you're on the Facebook group, sometimes they send you extra gifts. This is an EDC tray. It's like a dump tray. Sorry about the noise. I could mute it, but I'm probably not going to. So you just snap these together. Get this out of the way for a second. Just a little dump tray. Put your EDC in there. Or whatever. So, let's see. Item number 1 is the Arkfeld UV. That's not bad at all. Cool white, which is more popular than the neutral white, I believe. That's pretty good, I think, for $59. I think these sell for $79 or something. And this one has white light and UV light, which is, the Ultras are a little better. I have one of those that I bought previously. The Ultra has white light, UV, and the green laser. This isn't bad, pretty good. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh. This is just the regular Arkfeld flat, I think they call it. And this, I believe, has just the laser and the white light. And it's probably worth $59. This is also cool white. And I paid a little less than $59 with the discount. So there's 2 of the mystery package. Let's see what the knife is. Oh yeah, I'm happy with that. This is the Rubato 3. 154 cm, stainless steel with aluminum. I love the texture. The orange will go with, just pulled this off my microphone stand. It's the Oclip Pro, which I use for when I need a little extra lighting. It's pretty nice. So far I'm pretty happy with all of the Olight products I own. Hopefully I don't keep buying too many. Let's tear this open though. The lights I'm not going to open because I don't know if I'm going to keep them or not since I have the Ultra. Might gift them. Maybe a channel giveaway if I get a couple hundred subscribers or something. Oknife usually comes with a coin. So far in my experience, I'm not sure if this one will or not. Pretty nice box with the, their little message on there. instructions and probably warranty information and stuff in here. Usually a nice pouch with these. Decent. And it does have coin. Outdoor Elite Oknife. Oh, it's the actual model. With the texturing and everything. Rubato 3. That's pretty neat. Ah. Feels pretty good. Lightweight. I like them definitely a lot lighter than the copper. Copper's pretty neat, but this is more practical for most knife carrying. Oh, pretty good, pretty solid. This has, I believe they call this a rail lock. It's just the same, you know, as everyone else's bar lock or axis lock or whatever each manufacturer decides to call it. Deep carry pocket clip with flush mounted screws. Countersunk. Pretty flexible clip. I'm sure it's steel. Probably works well, I would imagine. Has place for left-hander if you want to switch the clip to the other side. And with the rail lock, I'm sure it'll work fine for either hand. Don't need a big logo like that on there, but doesn't hurt. It's not gonna hurt me. 154 cm, Rubato 3, serial number or the model number, I guess. I like it. So there you have it. 3 mystery pouches from Oknife or Olight. Got the Arkfeld flat, the Arkfeld UV, and the Oknife Rubato 3. Let me know what you think of these in the comments. And I hope everyone has a good day. Talk to you later.